Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make videos replay on YouTube app. Want to make YouTube video replay automatically? You can easily do it. Just follow these steps. Open YouTube app and log into your YouTube profile. Open the video which you would like to keep replaying. Tap on save icon below the video at the right side. Tap on change. Click on New Playlist. Enter any title for your playlist. I will name it Replay. Now click on Create. Now go to your library folder by clicking the icon at the bottom right corner. Here you will see all of your playlists. Open your newly created playlist. Open up the video and tap on the two arrows icon at the left. Done. From now on, this video will be replayed automatically. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make videos replay on YouTube app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.